Have a great day. Welcome to Professionals Tax In. Imran Raij is here. Attention students and aspiring professionals. It's a big announcement for you. Insights with Professionals Tax In. प्रोफेशनल्स टैक्स इन एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म जो स्टूडेंट्स और नए प्रोफेशनल्स को प्रैक्टिकल स्किल्स एजुकेट करने के लिए इस्टेब्लिश किया गया है अंडर द सुपरविजन ऑफ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स, टैक्स एक्सपर्ट्स एंड फाइनेंशियल एनालिस्ट्स in key areas like PAK taxation, UAE taxation, USA taxation, company registration with SECP and corporate compliance matters, trademark registration with IPO, and preparation of financial statements in accordance with applicable international financial reporting standards and advanced Excel. We offer a free courses designed to build the practical skills and deepen understanding. If you have any question or need a guidance on a specific topic, please drop a comment. We are here to help you. Stay tuned for updates and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.